Hey, this is Jack with Recipal, and we're going to answer some of your food labeling questions. This one comes from Michael in New Jersey. He says, it looks like the math is wrong on my dual column nutrition label. There are 2 servings in a container, but the calories per container are more than double the calories per serving. What's going on? The good news here, this isn't any sort of calculation or math error. It's actually just a result of the FDA's rounding rules. The FDA requires that each column in a dual column label be rounded separately. So here's an example that hopefully makes that more clear. Calories have to be rounded to the nearest 10 once they're over 50. So if there are 123 calories in a serving, it'll round to 120 on the label. But if there are 2 servings in the container, the actual value for the calories in the container is 246, which will round up to 250 in the information per container. So if you didn't know about the rounding rules, you're right to think something's off. If 1 serving is 120 calories, it makes sense to think that 2 servings would be 240 calories. But again, the FDA requires that rounding happens to each column separately. Now, the dual column format is required if your container has between 2 and 3 servings in it. If you're using Recipal.com, this format will be automatically applied based on your servings, as well as all of those rounding rules, so you don't have to think about it. Get started for free at Recipal.com.